Hello, Art in the Middle friends. Welcome to almost August. And when August rolls out in a few days, you are going to be getting in your inbox a wonderful set of lesson plans that's all about value. And you know, value is the magic maker in the art classroom, where students can take their very simple drawings and turn them into something phenomenal simply by adding mark making, by adding blended pencil graphite, or by adding light and dark of a color, so monochromatic. We're going to go within this lesson plan, we're going to go through the various ways and rules that make it simple for kids to understand, lots of good projectables to show and to illustrate, really good short clip videos. It's just action packed. I hope you enjoy it. I'm excited. Then coming up in September, a little preview of what's in the works for September is art for people with disabilities. And by that I mean we have 5 senses, right? We can, and I probably won't get them all right, we can hear, smell, taste, touch, and see. I think that's all of them. Did I repeat? I don't know. Anyway, you get the point. Not everybody has the same ability level with all of those. In fact, October is Blindness Awareness Month because it is said that most Americans will, or maybe globally, I'm not sure, I've got the statistic down somewhere, will in their lifetime need some sort of have some sort of visual impairment, like needing glasses, needing contacts, cataracts, blindness, illnesses like cancers that result in or just being born blind. So how does someone who is not exactly sighted appreciate a piece of visual art the same way that someone who is sighted? Well, they don't, quite honestly. So therefore, perhaps it is a good challenge to the artist who is making the art to figure out ways of creating art that is specifically designed and created for the people with limited sight. And there's lots of ways of doing that. So this kind of gives students a new way of thinking and a new way of creating, and it's an inclusive thing because just because someone may be hearing impaired or sight impaired or speech impaired or any of those, it would be horrifying to think a whole area of life was not allowed for them or not prepared for them, that being art, because art is just, in my opinion, one of the best areas of life. So anyway, stay tuned for that. That is going to be really super exciting and hopefully something very different that maybe will give your students some good food for thought and good for compassion and understanding. And since it comes to you in September, gives you plenty of time to prepare if you should choose to use some of these lesson plans in October for Blindness Awareness Month. Okay, so with that being said, lots being said, I will close this out. Wish you all my love and support. Those of you who have already started back school, congrats. Hope it's going well. Those who are getting ready to start back to school, congrats to you. And hopefully the peace and the calm over becomes part of you and you go into it filled with all the excitement that you can muster up because you do a very important thing and I thank you. All right. Talk to you soon. This is Margaret, Art in the Middle, saying bye till later, wishing you miles of smiles.